10 nutrient-dense foods you should be eating. 1. Kale. While all greens are healthy, kale is definitely the winner when it comes to nutrient density. A 100-gram serving of kale contains 200% of your daily requirement of vitamin C, 300% of your vitamin A, 10 times your daily requirement of vitamin K1 and significant amounts of vitamin B6, potassium, calcium, magnesium, copper and manganese. 2. Salmon. Salmon is a type of fatty fish that is loaded with omega-3, in addition to several other nutrients like protein, magnesium, potassium, selenium and B vitamins. 3. Garlic. Apart from vitamins B1, B6 and C, calcium, potassium, copper, manganese and selenium, garlic contains an active ingredient known as allicin that lowers blood pressure and cholesterol and fights cancer. 4. Sprouts. Seeds contain a lot of nutrition, but very often these nutrients are not accessible to us since they are locked away for the growth of the new plant. Sprouting the seeds unlocks all the nutrition, making it available to us. 5. Nuts. Nuts have a lot of calories, which is why you should eat them in small amounts. Unlike junk food, however, which is also calorie-dense, nuts contain healthy fats that lower cholesterol, prevent inflammation, promote weight loss, improve nutrient absorption, boost brain function, increase energy, and improve skin. 6. Blueberries. All fruits are healthy, but blueberries are in a league of their own. They are not as high in vitamins and minerals as other fruits and vegetables, but they have the most antioxidants, including anthocyanins and several types of phytochemicals. 7. Eggs. Eggs initially developed a bad reputation because it was thought that the yolks had adverse effects on cholesterol. However, new research has found that eggs are actually one of the healthiest and most nutrient-dense foods available to us, and that you can safely eat them without worrying about your cholesterol levels. 8. Avocados. Avocados provide you with a healthy dose of good fats along with plenty of potassium, fiber, folate, vitamins B, C and K, and a whole slew of carotenoids. 9. Chia seeds. In the ancient Aztec civilization, the warriors would carry chia seeds when they traveled, because they were loaded with nutrients and did not weigh much. Chia seeds contain soluble and insoluble fiber, proteins, essential fatty acids, and several vitamins and minerals. 10. Broccoli. Broccoli, and other cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower and cabbage, are some of the healthiest foods around. Broccoli is rich in iron, potassium, magnesium, folate, calcium and vitamins A, C and K. So these are the 10 nutrient-dense foods you should be eating. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health-related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.